In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a SAML 2.0 application report. First things first, there isn't a ready-made report for this, but you can create one yourself by using Okta system logs. Here's how. Start in the Okta admin console. Go to the Reports section and then click on System Logs. Pick a time frame. Choose a date range for your report. Usually, 30 days is good enough to catch all the activity across your SAML 2.0 apps. Type in this search query, debugcontext.debugdata.sign on mode EQ SAML 2.0. This will help you find the specific data you need. Just click on Download CSV to get your data file. Once you have your CSV file, sort the data by target ID. This will group your application results together, making them easier to understand. And that's it. You've just created your SAML 2.0 application report. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.